about you guys, but I'm incredibly tired this morning. Alright, then let's get some blood flowing. Can everybody stand up? Alright, so we're going to do one of my favorite warm-ups, and this is how it goes. Take your right arm, you shake it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left arm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left leg. Then you go to 7. Then you go to 6. Then you go to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Does that make sense? Right? You got to do it really fast. Right? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's fun.
All right, I'm Miss Johnston again. Let's get back up. We're not done yet. All right, we have one more warm-up please. So repeat after me. Do 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 do. Ray, 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 ray. Me, 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 me. Fa, 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 fa. So, 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 so. Okay. This time, let's just go up the scale up to so. On do, 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 do. That's gonna be our rhythm, okay? Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 do. Re, 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 and back down. This time, going up, we're leaving out ray. So sing it really loud in your head, okay? So you have to go do 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 do. Me 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 me. Got it? Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Do 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 do. Me 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 me. Pa 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 pa. So 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 so. Pa 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 pa. Me 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 me. Good. Okay, this one's hard. Let's just do, yeah, go ahead. Ready? 1, 2. Here's your do, 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 do. Pa, 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 so, 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 pa, 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 pa. Good job, guys.
So, did anyone tell me anything about the blues? Does anybody even know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
It's about
Type of music. Does anything know? Do you know anything about the blues? Like, besides just type of music? Anybody? Yeah. Bass. Yeah, there's all kind of bass. And yeah, that's a good part. So let's listen to a song and see what we can figure out about it. Blues song. Has anybody ever heard of the Blues Brothers? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Okay, yeah.
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago.
All right, first, what instruments did you hear? Guitar,
drums.
drums. Did you hear your bass?
Yeah? Anything else? Yeah?
People.
People. Good. Voices, that's good runs. Speaking of people, what about the lyrics? Yeah?
It's about the guy singing about going gold and stuff like that.
Right. Could you hear a pattern? Let's listen again. Listen for a pattern.
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago.
What'd you hear? Yeah? It repeats a lot. How many times does it repeat though? Do we need to listen to it again? Would that help? Yes or no? Yeah. All right. Let's listen one more time.
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go?
That's the next line. Same.
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago.
Five. Repeated 5 times. I heard
Twice. Yeah.
I heard one line twice, and then I heard a different line. Yeah, right? You all clear on that? All right, great. Huh?
Well, it stopped after some time.
Yes, it did. There was it was one line, then a little break, then the same line again, then a little break, and then a new line.
Okay, so let's just say that this is in 4/4 time. What does that mean again? What note gets the beat? Gets the beat? Yeah. Quarter note. And how many beats per measure?
4 weeks.
4 beats per measure. Great. So let's listen to it again, and let's count how many measures there are in this music selection. Okay? All right. So count with me. Besides the intro, of course.
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago.
All right. What do we come up with?
5 measures.
5. Well, if we're counting it out. Okay. Let me play it from the beginning again. I'll show you an example. We're counting it like this.
Come on,
1, 2, 3, 4.
baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Come on,
All right, what do I get to now? Yeah. 13, we're close.
That's because we
Yeah, we played one extra. I'll give you that.
played
12, perfect. Okay, so, has anyone heard of the 12-bar blues? No? All right, well, it's a chord progression that can be heard in all types of songs. So, but it's used based on 3 chords that are based on do, based on fa, and based on so. All right? So, pass it back over to Miss Johnston.
So if there are 12 bars in our blues, let's put 12 legs, and we're going to figure out what chords go in these legs. So remember our home tones for the key of C major? So what would they be for this
what would C be in solfege? If C is the home tone. I heard it somewhere. Do, yeah, good. So if we go up to fa, do we know what that home tone would be? F, I heard it there. So what about so? We just go one up from F. What would that be? G, good, excellent. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna listen for the home tones in our solfege. So if we hear do, put up this hand sign. If you hear something else, just put your hands down, okay? So we're gonna go through and find all the do's. Not counting the introduction, okay?
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago.
So I saw some hand signs. I know we weren't listening for that before. This is what the do chord is going to sound like. Okay? So we're listening for this note down here. So let's play one more time and see if we can figure out some more do's. So I really want to see your hand signs this time, okay?
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago.
All right. I think maybe it would help if we played it on the piano so you can hear a little better. What do you think? Okay. So this time I'm going to play it on the piano a little slower, and I want you to show me every time you hear a do chord. Okay? Ready? I heard a lot of does that time. I saw. Okay, so let's play it one more time, and this time help me figure out where to put them on the board, okay? So the first one, right? We all got that. Do we remember anything about the first line? In the third measure, that's exactly right. There was a do. How about we listen to it again and figure out where the rest of them go? So this time, how about raise your hand when you hear the do, so I can see that sign a little better, okay?
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Come on, baby, don't you
So we're
wanna
repeating the pattern again, so if it keeps going. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Sorry about that. We're getting there.
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Come on.
Okay. Okay, good. So we have our do's in there. We gotta fill in some other things, yeah? So what other options do we have? Besides do, what are other solfege? Raise your hand. Are there solfege syllables? Somebody else, you're answering a lot of questions. How about you? Fa and so, good. So let's go through again and let's find out where our fas are. So if you remember, this is what our fa chord sounds like. could be.
So,
So, good. Okay, awesome, guys. Very nice. So we actually have a worksheet for you. And when you get it, go ahead and take out a pencil and fill in your solfege on the top half of that, okay? Good. And you'll need that later, so hold on to that.
Alrighty. Is everybody done? Ready? Great. Okay. So can you remind me one more time? If we're in the key of C major, what note is do? Here we go. Fa. F. Good. And so. Great. You guys know that? Sure. Alright, I'll just roll these in. Now this piece isn't in C major though. It's in E major. So if we're in E major, what note is do?
E.
Right. Now this is a little tricky. You can guess Fa. A. Good. Just wanted to make sure. And Sol. Yeah. B. Great. Okay. Let's make sure it all lined up. I know. I know. Lots of sharps. Okay. So that's our E major scale. So let's sing the song, or let's play the song again one more time, and sing the bass line, or just sing the bass line and use the solfege syllable, or hand sign. Okay? And sorry. And yeah, follow along on your sheet. Point out to each measure.
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Come on.
Alright. Now, when we were here the other day, we listened to your compositions and they were beautiful, by the way. But we're going to go to those same instruments that you used before, but make sure we go to a spot in the room where we can see the board.
But before you do that, wait, let's fill in our second set of blanks with our solfege, but in letters of E major. Okay? So if we were to, what was the do again? E. Okay. So replace in your second set of blanks, replace all those do's with E's. And what's fa? A. So replace all your fa's with A. And then so. So replace that one so with a B, okay? And you can take that to your seat with the instrument.
Marshall and Sebastian, there are two glockenspiels behind Tyrell. Maybe you can ask him to pass them to you. And you may just sit in the two chairs next to Sampuja. Thank you. Great, Michelle. Thank you. Was Anjali helpful? I see. Lovely. Thanks, Anjali.
I'll tell you in a second. I should make sure everyone has an instrument. Okay, so everyone size up front? Okay, I'm gonna give you 15 seconds to figure out E, A, and B. Or yeah, E, A, and B.
You can move that.
Oh, it's a different. E, A, and B. Go ahead, figure it out.
Tyrell, could you get Sebastian and Marshall block mallets? They won't get any sound. Marshall will. Thank you. It'll have a nice crisp sound, Marshall.
Okay, great. All right. Shut up. All right, so this is going to be our rhythm, okay? All right, ready? I'll do it one more time. Repeat after me. Ready? Okay, good. Okay, so when I point to one of our notes, we're going to play that note, and then when I point to another one, you'll switch to that note, okay? But follow along with me, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Great, good job.
I see a lot of people that are using the same hand for that rhythm. How about we try again? This time, can you make sure you're alternating hands for that rhythm?
Yeah, that's a really good idea. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. You guys are really good.
Alright guys, so we remember our 12-bar progression, right? Same rhythm, slower tempo while I'm pointing. Ready? Mallets ready on E? Alternating hands. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Stop. Guys, did you hear my tempo? It was 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's okay. No rushing. 1, 2, ready, go. Great. This time through, let's really focus on keeping that rhythm really concise. So some people are kind of, getting into it and kind of doing whatever rhythm they want for a little bit, but this time Can you take a challenge? Do it without me pointing or snapping. And stay all together and no rush.
Listen to each other.
Yeah, that's good advice.
I like that.
Think that in your head and you'll stay on. Okay, ready? I'll start you off. Or actually, would somebody else like to count in? Do I have a volunteer to count in the whole class? How about Mr. Schuster?
One, two, ready,
That's awesome, guys. Give yourself a round of applause. Very great. All right, did you try it?
Mr. Schuster,
We think you're ready?
You have about 6 or 7 minutes before we need to wrap it up. So they'll have to compress the instruments.
let's take a challenge then. Let's add a fifth.
Yeah, let's go to the fifth.
Yeah, all right.
Now the only tricky thing is the chromatics can play the fifth, but the diatonics can play just that root note of the B. But yeah,
We
so
can just
in-
leave out the
We're gonna
fifth
leave
and the
the-
B.
Yeah, great. But the chromatics, they're welcome to give it a whirl.
All right.
Because then tomorrow what'll happen is I'll exchange people so they can all have the experience of that, use that extra. So
So,
Balance down for a second.
now it's down for a minute. Okay. They know what a fifth, like what it,
It's one of the primary tones, right?
alright. It's one of the,
They're primary tones, right? We know our primary tones are for E.
why don't you have them start with where their do is and then make that one and see if they can find the fifth note above for each of the home tones.
okay,
Do you understand what I'm saying?
yeah.
Okay, and so build a fifth because we're used to hearing, singing, and playing the scale and identifying our 1, 4, 5 positions, but we haven't done the fifth above the 1, 4, 5. So this is the next building block for doing what our chord will be eventually.
It's a challenge.
Yeah. Are you with me?
All right. So, what are our primary tones in solfege? So we know do is one. What are the other ones? Not fa. No, forget about this. Think about this. What are our primary tones? Do is one. Not fa. So is one. Okay, and I think I heard it. Did we hear? Say it again, louder. Me. Good. So those are our primary tones. But for right now, we're going to forget about me because that's not important for what we call the fifth above do. So we're not thinking about the whole key of primary tones right now. We're thinking about just the primary tones up from do. Do you understand? So 5 notes up from do is so. So in that case, when we play our E and we want to also play a fifth above, we also want to play the so above E. So what note would that be? Do we remember? B. B, good. So that's our fifth. E and B is our fifth above E. So E and B makes a fifth. And then if we have to go up from A, we need to find the fifth above A. So if we go here I'll sit, for our E scale, and we look at our A as our home tone, we need to go 5 up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So E is our fifth above A. Does that make sense to everybody? A bit? Yeah? Some head nods? Good. So
Have them play that.
Sure.
Have them Your hands are gonna be split now, folks. So can you play just 4 solid beats on the E with the fifth above, moving to the A, the fifth above, and then do the first line rhythmically?
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does everybody understand what we're doing? So for the first, right now, mouth down, mouth down. Thank you. So hold your mouth. Now pick them up. Tricked ya.
They can go reverse. They can go reverse mallets. It's a great way to lessen the sound.
Okay. So guys, hold your mallet. Now touch one on E. Don't play it. Just touch it. Touch the other one on B. Touch and hold it. So you feel where that feels like? Now we're gonna do 4 beats on that interval. Ready? In our same jazzy rhythm. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Guys, before we were alternating, this time we need to play both of them together in the same rhythm. Okay? So it's gonna go.
Most harsh. Good for you. Yeah.
It's almost exactly right. You ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing. Touch your mallet on A with your left hand and E with your right hand. Everybody there? Same thing, just 4 beats. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. I like that fit. Okay. Now I'm gonna point back and forth. Okay? So follow along, look up. You can also look down and make sure you're on the right note. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Sounds really nice. Do you think we could call that a day and then do our wrap up?
How about you do your wrap up and then I'll
Sounds good. So, okay, what we're gonna do is play along to the song. Definitely do your home tone. If you feel comfortable with it, go ahead and add that fifth in, okay? Ready? Let's go. So wait until the introduction happens and then go ahead.
Come on, don't you
Would you all say thank you to the teachers who taught you today? That's number 1 for helping us get a springboard there to the blues. Here's what I need from you though. Would you please compress the instruments and put all mallets back in the proper bucket, and then it's time for you to pack up and head on out. And tomorrow we'll find the fifth of the B. Those of you found nearest today, which was great. Oh, so close. Oh, that's right. Well, as Thelonious Monk says, there are no wrong ways to play piano. That's like his quote. There's a really wonderful book that I have that I share with them, speaking about all the different pitches and really only wrong beats, especially if you get to your improvisation. In your brain, you might be singing something, but your hands go someplace else. Can you get to where your brain is?